The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is a game-changer in the SUV segment, bringing together Toyota's renowned reliability with the efficiency of hybrid technology. This new iteration of the Fortuner not only maintains the ruggedness and off-road capabilities that enthusiasts love but also introduces a more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly powertrain. With stricter emission norms and rising fuel costs, Toyota has made a strategic move by incorporating hybrid technology into its flagship SUV. The combination of a robust diesel or petrol engine with an electric motor ensures that the Fortuner Hybrid delivers impressive power while optimizing fuel consumption. Toyota has fine-tuned the design of the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid to make it even more aggressive and commanding on the road. The front fascia features a larger, more pronounced grille with chrome accents that give it a bold presence. The LED headlamps have been redesigned with sharper aesthetics, incorporating daytime running lights for a modern look. The sculpted hood and muscular wheel arches enhance the SUV's stance, making it clear that this is a vehicle built for both urban sophistication and off-road dominance. The rear design remains familiar but gets subtle tweaks, including sleeker LED taillights and a reworked bumper for a more aerodynamic feel. The interior of the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid sees significant upgrades in terms of technology, comfort, and premium materials. Toyota has focused on enhancing the cabin experience, offering soft-touch materials, leather upholstery, and a more ergonomic dashboard layout. The infotainment system now features a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness and support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster has been modernized with a digital display that provides real-time hybrid system information, fuel efficiency stats, and driving modes. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with better lumbar support and additional adjustability for both the driver and passengers. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is its powertrain. Toyota offers a combination of an internal combustion engine with an electric motor, working together to enhance performance and efficiency. While exact specifications may vary depending on the market, the hybrid system ensures lower emissions and better fuel economy without compromising power. The vehicle features multiple driving modes, including EV mode for pure electric driving at lower speeds, an eco mode for maximum efficiency, and a sport mode for an enhanced driving experience. The battery pack is strategically placed to optimize weight distribution and maintain the Fortuner's off-road capabilities. Speaking of off-road capabilities, Toyota has ensured that the hybrid powertrain does not diminish the Fortuner's legendary toughness. The SUV retains its ladder frame chassis, which is crucial for durability and strength in challenging terrains. The 4x4 system is enhanced with intelligent traction control, ensuring that power is distributed efficiently to all wheels when needed. The Fortuner Hybrid is equipped with multiple off-road driving modes, such as mud or sand, rock or dirt, and snow, allowing drivers to tackle different terrains with confidence. The approach and departure angles remain generous, ensuring that the SUV can handle steep inclines and rough paths without issue. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid is no exception. The vehicle is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The SUV also features a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering easier despite its large size. In addition, the reinforced body structure and multiple airbags provide maximum protection in case of an accident. Toyota has also improved the braking system, incorporating regenerative braking to recharge the hybrid battery while providing smooth deceleration. On the road, the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid offers a refined driving experience. The hybrid system ensures smooth power delivery, with the electric motor assisting during acceleration to eliminate lug. This results in a more responsive and quieter ride, especially in city traffic where the SUV can operate in electric mode at lower speeds. The steering has been fine-tuned for better feedback, making it easier to handle both in urban environments and on highways. Toyota has also worked on reducing cabin noise, using better insulation and improved suspension damping to make long drives more comfortable. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of the hybrid system in the 2025 Fortuner. Compared to the standard diesel or petrol models, the hybrid version significantly reduces fuel consumption, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Depending on driving conditions and usage, owners can expect a notable improvement in mileage, especially in stop-and-go traffic where the electric motor takes over. Toyota's hybrid technology has proven to be highly reliable, and the Fortuner Hybrid is expected to have a long lifespan with minimal maintenance requirements. Toyota has also introduced smart connectivity features in the new Fortuner Hybrid. The SUV comes with a connected car suite that allows users to monitor vehicle health, track fuel efficiency, and control certain features remotely via a smartphone app. Over-the-air auto updates ensure that the vehicle's software remains up to date with the latest improvements. The infotainment system integrates voice commands and AI-assisted navigation, making it easier for drivers to interact with the car without distractions. Additionally, the wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and premium sound system add to the convenience and entertainment factor inside the cabin. The suspension setup in the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid has been improved to offer a smoother ride without compromising its rugged nature. The front and rear suspension systems have been retuned to absorb bumps better, making city driving more comfortable. At the same time, the SUV maintains its firm and stable nature when going off-road. The inclusion of an adaptive suspension system in higher variants further enhances ride quality by adjusting damping rates based on road conditions and driving style. Whether tackling rough terrain or cruising on highways, the Fortuner Hybrid ensures a balanced and composed ride. Another notable improvement in the Fortuner Hybrid is the enhanced braking performance. The regenerative braking system not only helps in improving efficiency by charging the battery but also provides a smoother and more controlled braking experience. Toyota has also upgraded the disc brakes for better stopping power, ensuring that the SUV remains safe and predictable even at high speeds. The hill descent control and electronic stability control further add to the confidence-inspiring driving dynamics of the vehicle. Toyota offers multiple variants of the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid, catering to different customer preferences. The base variant is well equipped with essential features, while the mid and top variants include additional luxuries such as ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, a premium JBL sound system, and a hands-free tailgate. Customers can also choose between 4x2 and 4x4 configurations, depending on their driving needs. The hybrid system is optimized to work efficiently in both configurations, ensuring that buyers get the best of both worlds' power and efficiency. With the launch of the 2025 Fortuner Hybrid, Toyota has taken a step forward in making large SUVs more sustainable without compromising their core strengths. The hybrid system ensures reduced carbon emissions, making the Fortuner a more environmentally friendly option compared to its purely internal combustion counterparts. For those who love adventure but also care about efficiency and sustainability, this SUV is a perfect choice. Toyota's proven reliability, combined with hybrid technology, makes the Fortuner Hybrid a compelling package for SUV enthusiasts. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid is expected to be slightly higher than the conventional models due to the advanced hybrid system and additional features. However, the long-term benefits in fuel savings, lower emissions, and enhanced driving experience justify the premium. Toyota is also expected to offer attractive financing options and extended warranty packages to make the hybrid version more accessible to buyers. Given the rising fuel costs and stricter emission norms, the Fortuner Hybrid is positioned as a future-proof investment in the SUV market. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Hybrid brings together the best of both worlds: the ruggedness and reliability of the Fortuner with the efficiency and sustainability of hybrid technology. Whether it's for daily commuting, long road trips, or off-road adventures, this SUV is built to deliver an exceptional driving experience. With its modern design, high-tech features, and improved performance, the Fortuner Hybrid sets a new benchmark in the premium SUV segment.